ancient rhythm, heartbeat of the earth. Black woman, child of the sun, guide over life, yeah. She rises with the morning light, soft like the breeze, carrying wisdom through the roots of the trees. Eyes full of stories, deeper than time. Every step she takes is a sacred rhyme. Child by her side with a curious soul, learning the truth that makes us whole. In every smile, in every tear, the spirit of life is shining clear. Black woman and child, walking in grace, love of creation written on your face. From the soil to the sky, your light never fade. Foundation of life in the path Jah made.
Black woman and child,
Strong and free,
living in truth and harmony.
from the rivers that flow to the mountains high, you carry the strength that never dies. She teach through silence, she teach through song. Show the little one where they belong. In the rhythm of drums, in the wind that blow, in the seeds of love that continue to grow. No chains can bind what the soul reveals. No system can break what the heart can feel. Through trials and storms, still standing tall, her spirit rise above it all. Black woman and child, walking in grace, love of creation written on your face. From the soil to the sky, your light never fade. Foundation of life in the path Jah made. In the garden of life, she planted the seed, water it gently with care and need. Child grows strong with roots so deep, holding the promises ancestors keep. Moonlight whispers, sun will guide. Truth and justice walking side by side. No fear inside when love is the way. Light up forever, day by day. Black woman and child, walking in grace, love of creation written on your face. From the soil to the sky, your light never fade. Foundation of life in the path Jah made.
Black woman and child,
Rise and shine
living example of the divine.
through every struggle, through every mile. Heaven revealing the woman and child.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Give thanks for the mother of life,
Guide the youth through the strife.
ancient power, pure and true.
Creation living inside of you.
Oh yeah,
No illusion,
no disguise.
see the truth through loving eyes.
From generation
To
to generation,
you are the healing of the nation.
every heartbeat tell a story untold. More precious than silver and gold, she carry the flame through darkest night, turning the wrong into purest right. Child of tomorrow, future so bright, walking in wisdom, walking in light. Together they stand unbreakable bond, living in truth where we let your spirit go. By the river where the stillness grows, I hear the truth in the water's flow. Every ripple tells a story deep of the love we give and the seeds we keep. Mountains stand in silent grace. Time moves slow in this sacred space. No more fear, no need to hide. Peace like a river lives inside. Calm waters flow through my soul, wash away what I can't control. In the silence I feel whole. Love and light will guide me home. Calm waters flow, steady and slow. Healing roots begin to grow. In this life I finally know we are one in the undertow. Sunrise paints the sky in gold. Every breath a gift untold. Nature sings in harmony, calling out to you and me. Lay your burdens on the ground. Hear the earth's forgiving sound. What you seek is always near, in the heart that's free from fear. Calm waters flow through my soul, wash away what I can't control. In the silence I feel whole. Love and light will guide me home. Brothers, sisters, take my hand. We are seeds in Jah's great plan. Different faces, same divine. One pure love in space and time. No more walls, no divide. Truth and justice be our guide. From the roots we rise as one, shining brighter than the sun. Calm waters flow through my soul, wash away what I can't control. In the silence I feel whole. Love and light will guide me home. Calm waters flow, steady and slow. Healing roots begin to grow. In this life I finally know we are one in the undertow. Let go, let go. Every worry, every shadow. Breathe in peace, breathe out love. Flow. The river never fights the way, still it reaches the ocean someday. So trust the path your spirit knows and drift, where calm waters flow. Moonlight dancing on the sea, whispers of eternity. In the night I find my truth, ageless soul, eternal youth. Every star a guiding flame. We are more than just a name. In this rhythm we align, human hearts and the divine. Calm waters flow through my soul, wash away what I can't control.
darkness to the light.
Jah guide I oh,
Coming in from the cold.
I was walking through the valley of shadows alone, searching for a fire but the flame never showed. Cold winds whispered out in my ear, but a still small voice said, "Child, I am near." Through the storm and the rain I trod, barefoot journey on the road to Jah. Every step was a lesson untold. Now I'm rising up,
Coming in from the cold.
coming in from the cold.
Into the light.
Feel Jah love, make everything right. Open your heart,
Let your spirit unfold. No more fear, we're coming in from the cold.
coming in from the cold.
Top hard as one, under the moon and the rising sun.
Peace in the soul is worth more than gold.
Give thanks now, we're coming in from the cold.
Nature sings songs in the whispering trees. Ocean hum low with a healing breeze. Mountains stand firm like the truth we hold. Ancient wisdom never grows old.
See the children playing in the yard. No division, no battle scarred. If we live by love, let the story be told. Every heart can come in from the cold.
Coming in from the cold.
Into the light. Feel your love, make everything right.
Open your heart,
Let your spirit unfold. No more fear, we're coming in from the cold.
coming in from the cold.
Into the light.
Feel your love, make everything right.
Open your heart. Let your spirit unfold. No more fear, we're coming in from the cold.
Hey. Close your eyes.
Feel the vibration.
One love, one heart.
One creation.
Oh, no chains can bind the soul that's free. Truth and rights,
Our destiny. In the silence, find your inner flame. Not by power, not by fame, but by kindness the world we mold. Healing hearts coming in from the cold.
brothers, sisters, take my hand.
We can rise, we can stand.
Unity stronger than stories of old.
Together we come in from the cold.
Coming in from the cold.
Into the light. Feel your love, make everything right.
Open your heart,
Let your spirit unfold. No more fear, we're coming in from the cold.
coming in from the cold.
United and free.
Rooted in love for eternity.
Spiritual fire, burning bright and bold. Give thanks now, we're coming in from the cold. Coming in, coming in, coming in. From the cold, from the cold. Coming in. Your light shine.
Deep in my soul. In the stillness, we rise within. conscious mind expansion. Let the light begin. Conscious mind expansion, drifting through the air. Feel the love surrounding, healing everywhere. In the roots of nature, truth we come to see. One heart, one vibration, living consciously. Morning sun is rising through the misty sky. Whispers of creation teaching how to fly. Every breath a blessing, every step a line. In the silent spaces, wisdom we will find. River keeps on flowing, asking why. Mountains stand in patience, reaching to the sky. In this sacred moment, let your spirit grow. Plant the seeds of peace and watch the garden flow. Oh, conscious mind expansion, drifting through the air. Feel the love surrounding, healing everywhere. In the roots of nature, truth we come to see. One heart, one vibration, living consciously. Conscious mind expansion, let your spirit rise. See beyond illusion, open up your eyes. Every soul connected like the ancient tree. Roots of unity in pure harmony. Listen to the heartbeat of the earth below. Ancient drums are calling, guiding as we go. Every living creature walking hand in hand in this great awakening across the land. Let go of the struggle, let the ego fade. In the light of Jah love, no more need for shade. Balance in the spirit, chara in the mind. Leave the fear behind and let your truth unwind. I and I awaken, I and I awaken, deeper and deeper. Light within is shining, light within is shining. Love is all we're finding. The cosmic rhythm, stars begin to speak, guiding every seeker, humble and meek. In the grand design, every soul has place, bound within the circle of amazing grace. Winds of change are blowing through the human heart, tearing down the walls that keep us all apart. Rising unity now, let compassion lead. Plant a higher vision, every thought a seed. Conscious mind expansion, flowing like the sea. Endless waves of wisdom washing over me. In the depths of silence, truth will always be sacred. mind. Breathe in life, let it unwind. Cool down the pace, let your spirit align. No need to rush, take your time. Feel the earth, hear the breeze. Life flows better when the heart at ease. Cool down the pace, let the pressure release. In the stillness we find true peace. From the roots to the sky so wide, let love and light be your guide. Sunrise glow on the mountainside, bird song echo, no need to hide. River keep flowing, teaching the way. Patience reveal what words can't say. Step by step in the rhythm of life, less of the worry, less of the strife. Nature whispers soft and low. Take your time, let your spirit grow. Too much noise in a restless world, too many thoughts in the mind unfurled. But silence deeper than any sound is where the truth of self is found. Let go anger, let go fear. Clarity comes when the path is clear. In every breath, a sacred space. Slow it down now, cool down the pace. Cool down the pace, let your spirit align. No need to rush, take your time. Feel the earth, hear the breeze. Life flows better when the heart at ease. Cool down the pace, let the pressure release. In the stillness we find true peace. From the roots to the sky so wide, let love and light be your guide. Children laughing in golden light, simple joys make the soul feel right. No competition in the trees, every leaf just sways with ease. Unity rising heart to heart, every ending a brand new start. One love growing naturally, like waves that roll in harmony. Slow it down, feel the vibration. Deep meditation, inner elevation. Moonlight shining on quiet seas, truth revealed in moments like these. No disguise, no need pretend, the journey within will never end. Gratitude for breath and soul, every piece that makes us whole. Walk in balance, walk in grace. Peace will follow when you slow your pace. Slow your pace. Cool down the pace, let your spirit align. No energy rising. Jah light shining from above. Morning sun touch the mountain high, golden rays paint the open sky. Gentle breeze through the mango tree, whisper words of serenity. River flowing pure and deep, carries dreams while the children sleep. Every heartbeat, every sound, peace and love all around. I look within and I can see a brighter world inside of me. No more fear, no more pain, only love like falling rain. Good energy rising, lifting my soul. Jah love flowing, making me whole. Peace in my heart, light in my mind, leave all the darkness behind. Good energy rising, feel it tonight. Stars above, shining so bright. One love, one world, one destiny, living in harmony. Birds sing low in the evening glow, moonlight dance on the earth below. Nature hums in a sacred tone, reminds me I am never alone. Every leaf and every stone carries wisdom deeply known. Ancient voices in the wind guide the soul from deep within. Brothers, sisters, hand in hand, walking together across the land. Different faces, same one light, all born from the source divine. Good energy rising, lifting my soul. Jah love flowing, making me whole. Peace in my heart, light in my mind, leave all the darkness behind. Good energy rising, feel it tonight. Stars above, shining so bright. One love, one world, one destiny, living in harmony. Breathe in the light. Breathe out the pain. Let your spirit flow like the rain. Mountains high, oceans wide, Jah love forever by your side. No war, no hate, no hate, no hate. Only peace, only grace. Good energy rising in every place. Through the storm and through the fire, love will lift the spirit higher. Even when the road seems long, the soul keeps singing its sacred song. Roots run deep beneath the ground, strength in silence can be found. Like the cedar standing tall, faith will never let us fall. Listen close and you will hear truth becoming crystal clear. Healing drum, speak to the soul. Heartbeat of earth, make I whole. Breathe in light, release control. Ancient rhythm, guide me home. Drum spirit beating on my chest, calling my soul to a place of rest. Roots of the earth, rise and confess. We are one, we are blessed. Healing drum spirit, carry me through. Wash all the pain, make my vision true. From the silence, life renew. Jah love flow in everything we do. Under the shade of the old baobab tree, whispers of ancestors calling to me. Wind through the leaves, sing a melody. Nature reveal what the eyes can't see. River keep flowing, steady and wise. Mirror reflection of truth in disguise. Mountains stand tall under infinite sky. Stillness within is the ultimate prize. Healing drum spirit beating on me chest, calling my soul to a place of rest. Roots of the earth, rise and confess. We are one, we are blessed. Footsteps light on the sacred ground. Every heartbeat is a mystic sound, lost and found in the rhythm profound. Circle of life keeps spinning around. Fire burns slow with the golden glow. Teach what the silent ones already know. Let all the worries and burdens go. Plant good seeds and watch them grow. And watch them grow. Hear the drum now calling, calling, calling. Feel the spirit rising, rising, rising. Let the healing flow, let it flow, let it flow. Deep within your soul, make you whole, make you whole. Deep within your soul. Close your eyes and breathe in deep. Promises the spirit always keep. In the silence where the heart can speak, find the strength you thought was weak. Stars align in the velvet night. Guide your path with gentle light. Everything gon' be alright. Truth and love will win the fight. Healing drum spirit beating on my chest, calling my soul to a place of rest. Roots of the earth, rise and confess. We are one, we are blessed. Healing drum spirit, carry me through. Wash all the pain, make my vision true. From the silence, life renew. Jah love flow in everything we do. fire that forever stays. Healing drum, guide me home. Never again I walk alone. Heartbeat steady, spirit grown. In this rhythm, I am home. Healing, healing sound. From the roots to the crown, ancient drum carry wisdom around. Breathe in light, let the silence resound. Sound system, lift up your soul. Vibration of love gonna make you whole. From the earth to the sky, let your spirit flow. In the rhythm of peace, let the truth be known. Healing sound system, echo within. Wash away the fear, cleanse the sin. One heart, one love, let the journey begin. Feel the light rising deep under your skin. The sun where the rivers run free, I find my reflection in the whispering trees. Every leaf sing a song of unity. Every breeze carry truth eternally. Step by step on the sacred ground, heartbeat drums in a mystic sound. No chains can hold what the spirit bound. In the silence, the highest self is found. Teach the lessons only stillness know. Let go the weight that you used to hold. In the fire of love, watch your story unfold. See the stars in your inner sky. No separation, no you and I. All is one in the cosmic tide. Truth reveal when the ego die. Healing sound system, lift up your soul. Vibration of love gonna make you whole. From the earth to the sky, let your spirit flow. In the rhythm of peace, let the truth be known. Close your eyes, feel the tone. You are never alone. In every heart, the same light is shown. In every seed, the whole is grown. Rise in love, let it be. Pure intention sets you free. Hear the chant of eternity flowing through you and me.
every trial a lesson shows. Through the pain, the compassion flows. That's the path every healer knows. No more war in the mind tonight. Only calm in the inner light. Turn the darkness into insight. Everything gonna be alright. Healing sound system, lift up your soul. Vibration of love gonna make you whole. From the earth to the sky, let your spirit flow. In the rhythm of peace, let the truth be known. Healing sound system, echoes so wide, waves of harmony we cannot hide. One world, one heart, unified in this sacred sound we abide. Healing, healing, sound system revealing. Love is the medicine, love is the feeling.
Healing wind, oh Africa, carry my soul to the ancient flow. From the mountains high to the rivers wide, Jah light guide deep inside. Sunrise on the savannah plain, whispering truth through the falling rain. Baobab roots hold the stories untold, ancient vibrations in the heart of the soil. Hear the drums speak in a sacred tone, calling every child back home. Through the dust and the trials we face, there's a healing power in this holy place. Healing winds of Africa blow through me, cleanse my spirit, set my heart free. From the pain and the broken dreams, lift me higher on Jah love's wings. Healing winds of Africa, I feel you now, in every prayer, in every vow. Unity rising like the morning sun. We are many but we move as one. River Nile flow with a timeless grace, mirror the truth in every face. From the deserts white to the ocean blue, every path leads me back to you. Children dancing in the moonlight glow, seeds of tomorrow in the love we sow. No division, no border, no chain, only one heart beating every name. Healing winds of Africa blow through me, wash away all impurity. Let my thoughts be calm and clear, guide my soul, remove all fear. Healing winds of Africa, strong and wide,
we remember. In silence, we reconnect. The earth breathes, and so do we. One life, one love, one destiny.
Mountains stand as a witness true to the strength that lives in me and you. Through every storm we rise again, washed in love like the summer rain. No more war in the mind or heart, time for healing, a brand new start. Let compassion be the guiding flame. We are equal, we are the same. Healing winds of Africa, carry me home to a place where love is known, where every soul can live in peace and all the suffering finally cease. Healing winds of Africa forever flow through every heart, let kindness grow. With every breath I testify, love is the truth we can't deny. Gently blow through my spirit, let love grow. Africa, your light remains in every heart, in every name. Yeah. Feel the breeze now. Roots run deep. Trouble come, but so does light. Oh, oh, oh. Here comes trouble on the morning tide, whispers in the wind, nowhere to hide. But I stand firm like the ancient tree, roots in the earth, soul set free. Clouds may gather dark and wide, but Jah light never leaves my side. In every storm there's truth to find, a deeper peace within the mind. Here comes trouble, don't you fear, love and wisdom always near. Through the fire, through the rain, peace will rise again, again. Here comes trouble, let it pass like shadows fading on the grass. Hold the faith and you will see, trouble sets your spirit free. Rivers flowing teach me grace, every trial got its place. Mountains stand through time and change, still and strong they rearrange. Brothers, sisters, hand in hand, one heartbeat across the land. Unity, the healing sound, lift it up, let it resound. Here comes trouble, don't you fear, love and wisdom always near. Through the fire, through the rain, peace will rise again, again. Here comes trouble, let it pass like shadows fading on the grass. Hold the faith and you will see, trouble sets your spirit free. Breathe in, breathe out, let the silence speak. Every burden, every doubt is just the soul you seek. Slow it down now, hit the drum, heartbeat of creation hum. Nature calling, soft and true, healing starts inside of you. The sun will rise on broken ground, turn the your spirit free. Trouble come and trouble go, like the tide and undertow. Stay rooted, let it flow. Only love is what we grow. Jagai, Jagai. Peace inside. Here comes trouble, let it be. It only brings you back to me. In the stillness, where the breath meets the soul, there is a light, ever living, ever glowing. I feel it. In a light shining bright within me, guide my heart to where I'm meant to be. Through the storm, through the night so long, in the light, keep me strong. In the light, never fade away, lead my spirit to a brighter day. One love rising naturally, in the light, set me free. Wake with the sun, feel the earth beneath, roots run deep like ancient trees. Every heartbeat, the sacred sound. In this rhythm, truth is found. River flow, cleanse my mind, leave all heavy thoughts behind. Nature speak in silent tone, remind me I am not alone. One love rising naturally, in the light, set me free. Meditation in the sound, bassline moving all around. Heartbeat sync with drum and bass. Feel the love in every space. Let go of fear, release the chain. Wash away the doubt and pain. In this moment, pure and true, light within, reveal the you. Rise up, rise up, rise up, in a glow, 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 glow.
skies mirror truth within our eyes. Every spark a guiding sign, universal grand design. Walk in love, speak with care, lift each other everywhere. Unity, the healing force, love the root and love the source. Close your eyes, feel the vibration. You are the light, no separation. Inner light shining bright within me. Guide my heart to where I'm meant to be. Through the storm, through the night, so long. In the light, keep me strong. In a light, never fade away. Lead my spirit to a brighter day. But one love rising naturally. In the light, set me free. Light within, everlasting peace, love, unity. I and I. In the stillness.
Jah blessing fall like rain, wash away the pain in every heart again. Oh, yeah, yeah. Jah blessing fall on I and I, like sunshine in the open sky. Feel the love, no need to cry. Jah light will never die. Jah blessing flowing through my soul, make the broken spirit whole. From the roots we rise and grow, in the love Jah show. Walking through the valley of confusion and fear, still I hear the voice say, child, I'm always near. Through the storm and the pressure, through the dark of night, there's a guiding flame burning bright. In the whisper of the wind, through the trees so tall, in the river where the water gently calls, every living thing in harmony sing praises to the Most High King. Jah blessing fall on I and I, like sunshine in the open sky. Feel the love, no need to cry. Jah light will never die. Jah blessing flowing through my soul, make the broken spirit whole. From the roots we rise and grow, in the love Jah show. No more war, no more fight in a Babylon land. Let the people come together, join hand in hand. Different colors, different names, still the same divine. One love flowing through all mankind. Take a moment, breathe in life, let your heart be still. Hear the truth inside, deeper than your will. In the silence, find the peace you seek, strength within the humble and meek. Oh, Jah, guide my way through the night into the day. Let my thoughts be pure and true. Let my works reflect in you. Oh, Jah, hear my prayer for the ones in deep despair. Send your light to every soul, make the weary spirit whole. standing by your side. Every heartbeat is a sacred drum, calling all creation into one. Plant the seed of love in every place you go. Watch it grow in ways you'll never know. Through the trials and the test of time, Jah blessing forever shine. Jah blessing fall on I and I, like sunshine, open sky. Feel the love, no need to cry. Jah light will never die. Jah blessing flowing through my soul. Make the broken spirit whole. From the roots we rise and grow. In the love Jah show. Jah blessing, Jah blessing, flowing like a river forever. Never shall we part. Jah, 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 Jah. Jah, Jah. Oh, na na na. Peace in the roots, peace in the soul. River keep flowing, make the spirit whole. Jah light shining deep in our heart. From the very beginning, never apart. Morning sunrise on the hill so high. Bird song echo as the breeze pass by. Roots in the earth, ground in our feet. Heartbeat drum in a slow and drop beat. Babylon noise try to cloud the mind, but stillness within is what we find. Close our eyes, let the tension release. In the arms of nature I find my peace. Peaceful roots chant, carry me on through the night until the dawn. Unity flow like the ocean wide. One love living deep inside. Peaceful roots chant. Peaceful roots chant. River of life keep washing clean every thought in the space between. Mountains stand firm through storm and rain. Teach I soul how to rise again. Children of earth, we all the same. Different paths, but one true flame. In every heart there's a sacred sound. In every soul, Jah love is found. Peaceful roots chant, carry me on through the night until the dawn. Unity flow like the ocean wide. One love living deep inside. Peaceful roots chant. Peaceful roots chant. Peace, peace, peace. Roots deep, roots. Jagai, jagai. Jagai, jagai. Look to the stars in the velvet sky. Ancient wisdom passing by. Every breath is a gift so true. Life keep flowing in all we do. Let go fear, let go the fight. Walk in love, walk in the light. From the soil to the open air, Jah in the stillness of the morning light. I find the strength within, a peaceful warrior rising again. Jah guide thy way through night and day. In love I stand across the land. Walking through the valley of reflection so deep, where the rivers of truth and silence gently seep. Hear the whisper of the wind through the ancient trees, saying, know thyself and let your spirit be free. Mountains stand tall, but they humble the soul. Every step forward makes the broken heart whole. In the mirror of life I see clearly now. No need for war when I remember how I'm a peaceful warrior, chanting in the light. No need for battle, love will win the fight. With a heart wide open and a spirit so strong, in the rhythm of creation I belong. Peaceful warrior, grounded and true. Jah love flowing in everything I do. No chains can bind what the soul has found. In the sacred silence I hear the sound. Sunrise paints gold on the edge of the sky, reminds me every day there's no need to ask why. Just breathe in the moment, let the worries go. In the garden of life, let your consciousness grow. Brothers and sisters from near and far, we're shining together like a million stars. No division can stand where unity reigns, healing the earth, breaking invisible chains. I'm a peaceful warrior, chanting in the light. No need for battle, love will win the fight. With a heart wide open and a spirit so strong, in the rhythm of creation I belong. Peaceful warrior, grounded and true. Jah love flowing in everything I do. No chains can bind what the soul has found. In the sacred silence I hear the sound. One love, one heart, from the end to the start. One breath, one flow, let the inner light glow. Darkness fades in the presence of light. Every tear that falls is a lesson in grace. Every step I take brings me back to my place. No need for weapons when wisdom is near. No need for anger when the pathway is clear. I stand in my truth like the roots of a tree, strong in the earth yet forever free. I'm a peaceful warrior, chanting in the light. No need for battle, love will win the fight. With the heart wide open and the spirit so strong, in the rhythm of creation I belong. Peaceful warrior, grounded and true. Jah love flowing in guide I through the longest night. Chains on my spirit, no fear in my spine. The river keep flowing, wash the pain away. Every little struggle, just a lesson on the way. Sunrise remind me every day's reborn. Even in the silence, hear the healing horn. From the roots of the earth to the heights above, I stand firm in truth, I'm moving low. I'm a peaceful warrior, don't need to fight. Got the strength of the soul and the heart of storm and fire, I remain so pure, guided by the truth, my foundation sure. Peaceful warrior, chanting unity, one love, one heart, one destiny. In the rhythm of life, I found my way. In the arms of Jah, I forever stay. Mine to keep. No weapon of hate could ever break me down. I wear my spirit like a golden crown. Nature is my teacher, whisper in the breeze, lessons in the ocean, wisdom in the trees. Every living being got a role to play, connected in the circle, no one stray. I'm a peaceful warrior, no need to fight. Got the strength of the soul and the heart of life. Storm and fire, I remain so pure, guided by the truth, my foundation sure. Peaceful warrior, chanting unity, one love, one heart, one destiny. In the rhythm of life, I found my way. In the arms of Jah, I forever stay. Slow it down, hear the heartbeat, in a voice never. Just peace like a river, flowing day and night. In a world of confusion, I choose clarity, breaking every chain of duality. No separation, we all are one. Children of the moon in the rising sun. Let forgiveness bloom where anger once grew. Planting seeds of love in everything I do. Even when the darkness try cover the way, my inner flame never fade away. I'm a peaceful warrior, no need to fight. Got the strength of the soul and the heart of life. Through the storm and fire, I remain so pure, guided by the truth, my foundation sure. Peaceful warrior, chanting unity, one love, one heart, one destiny. In the rhythm of life, I found my way. In the arms of Jah, I forever stay. I forever stay. Look within yourself, that's the place to start. Every revolution begin in the heart. No need for violence, no need for war. Love is the key we've been searching for. Ancient vibrations in every sound. Lift up your spirit when the drums resound. From the roots to the crown, let the energy rise. See the truth reflected in your own eyes. I'm a peaceful warrior, standing strong in the light of truth. Where In the silence of the morning light, truth is rising, shining bright. No need to rush, no need to fight. Time will tell in just sight. Slow down, slow down, breathe in the breeze of creation. Feel the earth beneath, steady foundation. Mountains whisper ancient vibration. Rivers flow with pure revelation. Every leaf got a story to say. Every dawn brings a brand new day. In the stillness find your way. Let your spirit rise, don't drift away. Time will tell, oh yes it will. Through the valley, through the hill, hearts aligned and spirit still. Love reveal what mind can't feel. Time will tell, don't you fear. Truth and light are always near. Through the storm the path is clear. Peace and unity live here. No more war in the mind and soul. Let forgiveness make you whole. Every man got a sacred role. Plant good seeds and watch them grow. Sunshine warms the broken heart. Even night plays its part. From the end comes a new start. We're connected, never apart. One love, one flame, one destiny, flowing like the endless sea. Let go pain, set your spirit free. Live in truth and harmony. Hear the drum like a heartbeat car, echo loud through one and all. No division, no more wars. Together we rise, together stand tall. Nature sings in perfect tune. Stars align with sun and moon. Every soul will find it soon. Life's a sacred afternoon. Time will tell, oh yes it will. Through the valley, through the hill, hearts aligned and spirit still. Love reveal what mind can't feel. Time will tell, don't delay. Light is guiding every way. Night will fade into the day. Peace is never far away. Look within, the truth resides. No need to run, no need to hide. In your soul, the light abides. Let it shine, be your guide. Wisdom grows in patient time, like a steady, sacred rhyme. Simple living, so divine. Walk the roots and watch them climb. Just a heartbeat, just a sound.